Title: Goose, the graceful waterfowl. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word goose. A goose is a graceful waterfowl bird that is known for its distinctive features, such as a long neck and webbed feet. It's a term that signifies the beauty and diversity of avian life. Pronunciation: pronouncing goose is simple. Goose, with a soft G and a short U. Use in a sentence. For example, a goose swimming on a tranquil pond adds a touch of elegance to the natural world. Importance: geese are essential components of various ecosystems and have cultural significance. In many regions, often associated with migration patterns and folklore. Conclusion: in summary, goose is a word that represents the charm and importance of waterfowl in our natural world. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the elegance of geese in the world's waterways and skies.